Quick dessert for the whole family. Place a layer of biscuits in the tray. Mix 3 egg yolks with sugar in a saucepan. Pour in milk and mix well. Add starch. Boil the cream, stirring continuously. Pour the cream over the biscuits. Cover with a layer of biscuits. Put the tray in the fridge for 1 hour. Mix the egg yolks with sugar in a saucepan. Pour in milk and mix. Add starch. While boiling the cream, add cocoa. Pour the cream over the biscuits. Put the tray in the fridge for 30 minutes. Melt dark chocolate. Mix the chocolate with whipped cream. Pour the chocolate glaze into the tray in an even layer. Put the tray in the fridge for 1 hour. I fell hopelessly in love with this dessert with lots of cream and chocolate.